No tar? That's the tip. There's a tar coming.
I'll tell you if there's a car coming, okay?
Why?
So I don't want you to have to worry about it.
Don't tell me.
Okay.
They're tar.
Oh, hey. I think we know this car.
Mama.
All right. Well, we'll be back soon. Love you.
Daddy.
All right. You probably
I don't want.
probably ride it out here. You'll run. Oh, John, wrong way. Yeah, good job. Okay, try to stop. Oh, yeah, there you go. Good slow down. Woo, good job.
If there's anything big, watch out. Watch out if there's a monster. Off-road. I like doing off-road.
All right.
Kind of go from there.
You want me to go down here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, don't go on there.
So whenever you're ready.
Mark just said no. Don't know.
Nice work. Want to bring it back up?
I don't feel like doing that.
Here, ride it over here.
I just want to run. I just want to break.
Okay.
Then to the tree house.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
Mark just said no. Don't know.
All right, remember, don't go in the ditch on the left, okay?
Why?
Just transport.
Bumpy. Thank you.
All right, you want to just keep it on the bottom?
Thank you. There's a bunch of roots.
Yeah, you hit a big root.
Hit a big root. So I had full power. That's a full power. It's a full power.
You're going to turn to me. Down this way, okay? Go this way.
I did. About that root.
Yeah, Imre, good job.
Thank you. Can I do that again?
You want to do it again? Here, you pedal it up this time.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
I don't know.
5 times yesterday.
I don't know how to.
Yes, you do.
I'm trying to pick it up.
You did it like 5. All right, go.
You're gonna make me turn left, and I am.
Turn left, so you go downhill.
I'm going past that root.
Yeah, past the root.
Because I don't like roots, and also they make me bump. Tamara, get me up here. Tamara, get me up here. I'll think if the Tamara wants to get me up here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take.
Slow down, you quick.
Turn right. I don't have the root. I did not write the root. Off root. Wait, we bump.
Yeah.
One more.
Good job, man.
One last one. Then I'm gonna do last one. That was a big terrier. That's a big terrier. I don't know. Wait. We turn right. I turn. I need to wash my bike.
You need to lock it?
No,
Lock it?
no. I just have to rinse it because I got mud on it.
Oh, wash it.
Yeah, it had mud on it. Tell me about it with the home because it's very dirty. I just like going to it.
You like going uphill?
Yeah.
Almost there. You're doing great.
Almost there. Yeah. Almost there. 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 Now we're home. Now I just have
You
to.
made it. Good job.
We just have to pray it was dead.
With the hose?
No, yeah, it was dead.